How to create a Gmail account or Google account in your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Google account or Gmail account in your laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, open up a web browser. After you do that, simply search for Gmail or Google account. After you do that, you will see an option that says sign in. Tap on sign in on the top right. And here you will see two options. One is to enter your email, the other is to create an account. Tap on create an account. Now here choose whichever is most suitable for you. I'm going to choose for my personal use. Now after you tap on it, you'll need to add your name here. So simply add your name and you can add your last name if you want to. After you do that, tap on next and here you will need to add your birthday. So add your birthday here. After you do that, tap on next and now you need to choose your Gmail address. Now you can choose your own Gmail address that is created or you can use the one suggested here. I'm just gonna tap on this one suggested here and tap on next. Now here, make sure you create a strong password. After you create a strong password, type it again to confirm it, then tap on next. After you do that, here you will need to enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, you will receive a verification code. So after you get the verification code, simply type that in here. Now, after you type your number here, what will happen is this will link your account to your number. Now you can add a recovery email too if you want to. I'm just going to skip this. So now all you need to do is tap on I agree to the terms and conditions. And after you do so, you have just created your Google account. As you can see right here, there is my Google account. And yeah, that is how you do this. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you can create a Google account or Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.